Hello, yes, and welcome back to our Objective 4 notes. This is going to be part 2. We're going to finish these notes, and today we're going to just look at some word problems about how we might use our Objective 4 to simplify some word problems and to solve some problems that might occur in the real world. So, looking at letter A here, let's do this one together. The length of Mr. Carter's classroom is 36 feet. The width of the classroom is 5 feet more than 2/3 of the length. Write a simplified algebraic expression that could be used to find the area of the classroom. Find the area of the classroom. So we got to assume a couple things here. We're going to assume that this is a rectangle. All right, that this classroom is a rectangle. If you look around you, it is. All right, so the length of my classroom is 36 feet. So we'll call that the length. Now the width is 5 feet more than 2/3 of the length. All right, 5 feet more. So that'd be plus 5, 2/3 of the length. Well, the length is 36, but we only want 2/3 of that. All right, so find the area of the classroom. So area equals length times width. So let's figure out what this width here is. So 2/3 times 36 plus 5. And then that would be our width. Our length, when we multiply it, would just be 36. So let's simplify this. What is 2/3 of 36? Well, I know that 1/3 of 36 is 12, so that means 2/3 of 36 must be 24. Now 24 plus 5, all right? And then we're going to multiply that by 36. 24 plus 5 is 29. So we got 29 times 36. Goodness, I think I need my calculator for that. 29 times 36. You know, in hindsight, I really don't. 360, 720, 1 away. We're going to be just a little under. Fantastic. 1,044 feet. 1,044 feet squared. That would be the area of the classroom. Very nice. Questions on that one? Go ahead and raise your hand if you have a question. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and look at letter B here. Mr. Gunderson needs to purchase uniforms for the track team. The freshmen have 28 boys and 16 girls. Sophomores have 19 boys, 21 girls. Juniors have 22 boys, 27 girls. Seniors have 17 boys, 14 girls. Wow, a lot of kids playing track. How many of each is participating? How many boys' uniforms, how many girls' uniforms does Mr. Gunderson need to purchase? So how many of each class is participating? So that one's really easy. We can just add these up. Freshmen are 28 plus 16. Let's see, that'd be 44. Sophomore are 19 plus 21. That would be 40. Juniors, let's see here. We have 22 plus 27. That would be 49. And seniors, we have 17 plus 14, so that would be 31. All right. So that's how many of each class is participating. How many boy uniforms, how many girl uniforms does Gunderson need to purchase? Write an algebraic expression to represent the situation. Okay, so let's see. We have 28 boys plus 16 girls, and I'm using the variables B and G for boys and girls. And then plus 19 boys plus 21 girls, plus 22 boys plus 27 girls, plus 17 boys plus 14 girls. So by combining my like terms, I'll be able to determine all of this. So 28 boys, 22 boys, 28 plus 22 is 50. 50 plus 19 is 69. 69 plus 17 would be what? Goodness, 69 plus 20 is 89, but I need 3 less than that, so 86. So 86 boys there. Now let's look at girls. Well, I see 16 and 14. That'll give me 30. Really easy. 30 plus 21 is 51. 51 plus 27. 51 plus 27 would be 78. 78 girls. Fantastic. All right, 86 boys, 78 girls. A lot of kids going out for track. Gunderson's got some uniforms to purchase, that's for sure. All right. raise your hand if you have any questions. Otherwise, why don't you go ahead and try letter C on your own, and then we'll check that together, all right? Go ahead and try letter C. Notice how it says use the variables T for trumpets, C for clarinets, and D for drums, all right? So go ahead and pause the video, try letter C, and we'll see how we do. All right, let's see how we did. So Mr. Davis is placing a big order. He needs 6 trumpets, 3 clarinets, 2 drums for one of his schools, 8 trumpets, clarinets, 5 for the other. So his order would be 6T plus 3C plus 2D plus, and then I'll add that to 8T plus 6C plus 5D. All right, now if I were to simplify this, I would get 14T plus 9C plus 7D. All right, now a trumpet costs $25, a clarinet costs $40, and a drum costs $50. How much money did Mr. Davis pay for the instruments? Wow. All right, so I'd plug in 25 for T, I'd plug in 40 for C, and I'd plug in 50 for D. All right, so 14 times 25. Well, 25 times 12 is 300, so this is going to be 350. 9 times 40. 9 times 4 is 36, so this would be 360. 7 times 50, that would also be 350. 350 plus 350 is 700. 700 plus 300 is 1,000, so I think his total value was $1,060. How do we do? Raise your hands if you have any questions. If not, why don't you go ahead and try letter D. Try letter D and go ahead and pause the video and see how we do. All right, let's see how we did on letter D here. So the width of a basketball court is 50 feet. The length of the court is 6 less than twice the width. Write a simplified algebraic expression that could be used to find the perimeter of the court, then find the perimeter of the basketball court. So, basketball court, we got this rectangle going here. The width is 50 feet, and the length is 6 less than twice the width. So that'd be 2 times 50, and then 6 less than that. All right, now find the perimeter. Perimeter equals twice the length plus twice the width. So we need to figure out what this length is first. So 2 times 50 is 100. 100 minus 6 would be 94. The width is 50. I can plug those values in. So I'd get P equals 2 times 94 plus 2 times 50. 2 times 94, don't really know that off the top of my head, but I know that 2 times 95 is 190, so this will be 2 less than that. So this will be 188. 2 times 50 is 100, so that perimeter, we're going to find it to be 288 feet. Fantastic. All right, last one. Why don't you try letter E here? I'll give you a moment to try it, and then we will go through that together, all right? So go ahead and pause the video now, and then try letter E. All right, let's see how we did here on letter E. So Samantha went to the mall to buy new shoes, jeans, and dresses. She's going to spend some money. At the first store she went to, she bought 2 pairs of shoes, 2 jeans, 3 dresses. At the next store, she bought 3 shoes, 2 dresses. At the last store, she bought 3 jeans and 1 dress. Write an algebraic expression to represent all the purchases, then simplify the expression. Use the variable S for shoes, J for jeans, and D for dresses. So, at the first store, she bought 2 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of jeans, and 3 dresses. At the next store, she bought 3 pairs of shoes and 2 dresses. And at the last store, she bought 3 pairs of jeans and 1 dress. All right. So we just need to simplify this expression to see how much of each item she bought. So 2s plus 3s, right? We're just combining like terms. That gives me 5s. 2j plus 3j, that gives me 5j. And then 3D plus 2D plus 1D, that would give me 6D. So overall, she bought 5 shoes, 5 jeans, and 6 dresses. And that's going to conclude our notes for today. If you all would raise your hand, let me know if you have any questions. And then if not, go ahead and get worked on our practice problems before we move on to our next activity today. This is Mr. Carr signing off. I'll see you next time.